Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Data Logics. So today we are going to learn goal-seek in Excel. So in this video we will be covering what is goal-seek, how to use goal-seek and some example of goal-seek. Basically the application of goal-seek in Excel. So without any further ado, let's get started. What is goal-seek? So goal-seek is an incredibly useful tool in Excel that allows you to find the input value needed to achieve a specific goal or output. This means that you can easily determine what input value is required to reach a desired outcome without having to manually adjust your input and recalculate every time. Now, how to use goal-seek? To use goal-seek in Excel, first select the cell that contains the formula you want to adjust, then go to the Data tab and click on the What If Analysis button. From there, select goal-seek. In the goal-seek dialog box, enter the value you want the formula to achieve in the To-Value field. Next, select the cell that contains the input value you want to change in order to achieve the goal. Finally, click OK to run the goal-seek analysis. Okay, so here's an example of goal-seek analysis application. So I've already made this where we have name of the student and their marks. Right now we have a formula over here that is calculating the total marks of the student, that is 241. And here's the percentage of the total marks. And here's the formula. As you can see. Here we want the computer to achieve a desired outcome. Let's say for example we want a marks of 300. So what is the value we want in computer to achieve a 300 marks? So here first we have to select the total. Then we have to tap on the data. We have to select the Data tab. After that, we have to select the What If analysis. From there, we have to select goal-seek. Right now in the cell, we already selected the total marks of the student. Now in the To-Value, we have to enter desired total marks that we have to achieve in the exam. Now in the By Changing cell, we have to select the box of the computer. Now click OK. Now we've got the value of the computer. So the total marks is 300 and the value that we've got is 59. So that's it. This is how we use goal-seek. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, you all can follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us on comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.